How to download AliExpress. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download AliExpress on your Android device. It's super simple. Follow this quick step so you can also download AliExpress on your device. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, open the Play Store app on your device. Once you are inside the Play Store, tap onto the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click onto the search bar at the top of your screen and type in AliExpress. The AliExpress logo represents pink background with a shopping bag and a check mark. That's the official application for AliExpress. Tap on it, then hit on install. The installation may take time according to your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app directly from here, or you can go back to your home screen and open it from there. And that's it. This is how you can download AliExpress on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.